Are we back?
Good evening.
Okay. So we'll continue. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Last week we started about reporting. We brought in our logo, brought in our year slicer, we brought in our region slicer. That was where we stopped last week. So next thing we need to start today. Have you opened your Power BI?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, good. This class, if I may be right, we must round up. Today's Tuesday. We must round up this class by next week. So now, if you want to, let me send a note of understanding for us. When you want to bring up objects, visual objects on your canvas, you must deselect every item that is placed on your canvas. Here now we have about 3 objects. I have the logo, I have the year slicer, I have the region slicer. None of these objects must be selected for you to bring another thing. Okay? And how will you do that? Clicking a empty environment of the canvas. And let me tell you that, again, another good thing is that you can only select one object at a time, except if you hold down your control key, click on any object, okay? Hold down your control key, you can select more than one object as you see on my screen. If you want to deselect, just leave everything and click outside. Then everything will set. Am I communicating?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. I'm trying to make our logo bigger. Good. Now, want to add charts on our visualization. We want to add a line charts. See, hold on. Okay. A moment, I'm coming. So we want to put in a chart there. Uh, Deselect any area and put in our cluster column chart. This, okay? Position it properly. And the moment you are positioning it, the grid line will be aligning to the object already placed there. If you look at it as I'm moving it, can you see is aligning with all other objects so that you don't overlap the one you have there. So go ahead and position it to almost half of the screen. Okay, like this. Aha. So let this one cover the entire half like that. Okay, good. When you do that, okay, so the next thing you're going to do is that drag the month and says. They drag and drop the following fields into the visual. Okay, so drag your month, come to date, month to your y-axis, and says to your come to sale, no, says, drag it to y-axis, let's see, good, okay. Then come back to Please do something. Go back to your year slicer. Select year, financial year 2022. Check it. This. Okay. So leave that there and leave it. And again, I've told you when you bring any of your numbers, remove the sum. Yes, by default, it's going to do some, but it says we are looking at sales by months. So when you are dragging your, when you are dragging your, when you are putting item on your, when you are shaking, another way, let's assume I didn't drag this object. If you come to months and check, it's going to put it in an appropriate place for you. Come to sales and check, it's going to put it in an appropriate place for you. Okay? Most of the time, your descriptions will be on the y-axis, while your numbers will be on x-axis as what you want to analyze. Am I communicating?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, look at your, there is a, if you, let me look at it, line as this. Sorry, let's go back to, let's change, we pick, go back to your visualization. Go and select line and stack column charts. This one. Nothing will change. It's simply going to change the chart for you. So this is the chart you're supposed to pick. Line and column chart. Your x-axis will still be months, while your y-axis will still be sales. Okay? Then you will drag.
Line and stacked column charts.
No, Wayne. Let me really correct that part. Because we want to show profit margin. So look at your visualization. There is a visual that has line and stack column
Column
chart.
chart. Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
just click on it. It's just going to change the chart for you. Nothing is Everything will still be the same. The only thing is I want a line chart on it. If you click on your cluster column chart, it is still going to show you the same chart. But this time around, I want the chart with line bar chart on it, line chart on it. So that's why I'm picking that. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Love it. Have you done that?
I can't do it because I'm recording, so I'll have to do my own later.
No. You should be able to record now.
No, I'll have
Okay.
to minimize the screen and be practicing.
Okay, no problem. Just follow me
Yes,
and ask questions if it's not clear.
yes, I do.
Chat and line.
Oh.
Thank you. Yes. So can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Oh, great. So now we've done one part of our assignment. Let's move on because of time. Now, the next thing we want to do is profit margin. Already drag our profit margin there. So notice that the visual, take note of something. Your visual only has 11 months. Take note from July to May. So notice that the visual only has 11 months. The last month of the year, which is 2020 June, doesn't have any sales yet. By default, the visual has eliminated months with blank sales. You will now configure the visual to show all months. Can you hear me? Because there is no sale at this point of your recording, there is no sales recorded yet. So it eliminates the months that is blank. So in the visual feed panes, the x-axis well area for the month feed, select the drop down arrow and select show item. So come to x-axis under the well area. This is what they mean by well area, where the value stays. So click the arrow down there. Okay. So there is a phrase there, show items with no data. So select it. So you will now see your June 2020 reflecting on your charts. It's blank. No data has been captured. Do we get that one right?
Yeah. What's the line that is going up? Is that a mistake?
Which one?
You have a line, a squiggly line above your charts.
That's the line chart we draw now, the profit margin.
No, there's a like a pen. There's a blue pen, darker blue, not the bar charts, not the something. There's a line going there. Yeah, that one.
Is it the one I'm tracing?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We did look at the visual we pick. Let me point to it. Can you see on that visualization?
yeah.
What do you see there?
Line and stack column chart.
Yes. The column chart is the one you see physically there.
Hmm.
We pull our profit margin to line y-axis. That's the line chart.
Okay.
This chart has two information. It has bar chart and line chart. Do
Okay.
you understand that, Wayne?
Yeah,
I am co-
I
I
don't
am
have that. That's all.
comparing my sales and profit per month. That's what I'm
Okay.
doing.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
comparing my sales and profit. That line is profit, is the profit margin.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
it's, when you are looking at each of the points, it's telling me the profit activities of my sales. Can you see in July 2019 where I start from? Look at my profit, you know, minor profit. It moves up in August, it moved down in September, and in October it went up. Then in November went up again until December. Then immediately after December, maybe after Christmas and all of that sales, start nosediving, but then minimally maintain that January, February, March, April, May, June, and the profit may was fluctuating until I come to, I think it was still a better one until uh, April. From April, start nosediving continuously, okay, and you can see it's going to negative region. That's what I'm comparing my profits and my sales. That's what I'm doing on that chart. Am I communicating?
Yeah. See, no, I didn't have it, so now I have it.
Okay,
Um,
great. Okay. So in the visual fields, in the x-axis, for the month you select, okay, I've done that part. So June is now appear on my chart. June is now appearing on my chart. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, before we move on, some of us, I don't know if I've ever shown my face and you know that I'm using glasses. Some of the things you have here are tiny. So most of the time, you need to format what I have here is the title. That's the title of the chart. What the month is the title of the y-axis, x-axis, sorry. Y-axis is the title of your y-axis, and your profit margin is the line that's drawn there. So you and the values of label, you need to format them to make them clear to anybody that is not with you that need not presume what are you doing. So to format your chart, make sure the chart is selected. Please take note. Make sure any object you want to carry out any modification or cosmetics on is selected before you go to visual, you go to format your visual. So now my chart is selected. I want to format my title, my labels, and co. So I'll come to format the visual this. Okay. Under the visual, start from x-axis, not necessarily to format everything. I will start with x-axis. X-axis has for the values, that is all these labels you have here. So I want to, like I have demonstrated last week, that I want my fonts to be Times New Romans. And I also explained to you that in most organizations, majority of corporate standard organizations, they always have documentation of the way um they want their charts, their documents, the fonts. They have documentation for them. For us, it shows time romance for this class, and I want to increase the font of this to 11 so that it will be bold, and I also bold it so that people will see. So if you look at your x-axis now, you see that all the months has appear dark and bold. So I've changed the font and I make them bold. Okay, good. So that's the value part. The next order is the title. I can decide to put off this title, that is this month, x-axis title. If I click on this place, I put it off. There are situations you might even put off your values. I just want that bar. But for purpose of our class, we are not putting it off. Title, we are not putting it off because we want us to see, but there are situations you need to put it off. So the title, I can also control the font of the title and make it timely romance. Okay, since I make my value 11, let me make this one 12 and make it bolder. Okay, that's the label of the x-axis. So close that. Then come to x-axis. So under x-axis, again, there are a lot of things that is happening to your to the x-axis. But for now, we are interested in the values. That is the label of the y-axis. So the value is on. I make it Time New Romance, and I remember the other one is 11. I make it bold so that to show. So you will see your 4 million, 2 million, and 0 million is shown properly. So now, then title, again, I can choose to show it and I can choose to take it off. If I click, but for now, because we are learning, I won't show it. So title, again, is the font is New Time Romance, Time New Roman. Then I leave it as 12 and I leave it as bold. Okay, so you can see your says everything there. Any question? Are
No.
we together?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Again, what is showing me, what is telling me the color of the bar chart and the line is the legend. I can choose to remove the legend completely. Okay. I can also decide to change the position of the legend. I have top left. I can decide to make it top center. I can decide to make it top right. Can you see where the legend is going? I
Yeah.
can make it top left stack. Can you see that? I can make it top right stacked. I can make it center left. I can make it center right. I can make it bottom left, bottom center, bottom right. So I've shown you various locations you can put your legend. But most of the time, it's always either on the right or on the top under the title. So for the purpose of this class, I will leave it as a top left. Okay?
Yeah.
Top left. But okay, good. And again, I can also change the text of the legend. Okay? I can make it bold. I can pick that for it. Okay? Then I will make it so that it will be a bit bigger. So that's the font size. So that's that. Okay. Having done that, remain one thing, title. The general title of the chart, the whole information, the whole formatting of the whole chart is done under general. You know, those one I did under visual is individual part of the chart. But anything that will affect the whole chart, under background, color, you come to general. If I don't want to see the title on top, I will come here and say, I don't want title. Can you see the title is gone?
Yeah.
Okay. But we need it. Then expand the title that will say, label is sales and profit margin by month. Nothing bad. Then it's making use of, if you do HTML in the past, well, this might be, but don't worry, the heading of the title of your chart can be controlled under this heading. Let me quickly show you what you have there. See, you have 6 sizes. Sizes. It starts from, let me select normal. Okay? It's telling you that whatever you are typing is going to be a normal size. And what they call normal is almost 14. Let me check heading 2. Okay? The size should not change much. Then heading 3. Okay? Heading 4. So those headings is controlling the font size. Okay? Font size. Maybe what I'm to do is, let me make the font size, let me make the font. A moment. Okay, Time New Romance. Good. I'll make it bold. Then I will change the font to 20. I want it to be clear for you to see. Aha. Now, let me go to the heading and see. Let me pick normal heading. Can you see? Bigger
Yeah.
and bold. Heading 2. Heading 3. Not really change much. Heading 4. Huh.
I think, is it not because we've changed the font size, and
Maybe that's why you're not feeling the effects.
because
Okay.
it happens in Word as well.
Yeah. So let's leave it at that. So that's our charts. So these are the various ways. So you can play around this in your practice and be accustomed to so many things. But before we leave, let's make our title position of its center, horizontal alignment, center. Uh-huh. So that's the heading of our chart. Good. Now we want to put another chart on the canvas. So select the one you have there. Don't select it. Click on your column bar chart. This. No, that's waterfall. Column bar chart. See this one.
Stack
Click.
column chart.
Hold on. Column stack. I'm coming a moment.
No problem.
Checking it to confirm it. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Stack this cluster, stack column chart. This, sorry. Select this, stack column chart.
Okay.
Okay. So it's there on the, let me take it out. So the select stack column chart. This. You see that it automatically adjusts to cover the remaining half at the bottom. But
Yeah.
no, I want something on the other side. So point to this edge and remove it to half. How will you get the half? It's going to show you the grid. Point your mouse to it, drag it. Can you see where the red is?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So that's half of the shots.
Yeah.
Good. This is not generally the way your chart will be. The management that the organization you are working with will mostly tell you the kind of visual they want to see. So what we are doing tonight is, as we are demonstrating this adventure works, I'm also teaching you that on your canvas you can have more than one chart there. You can have more than one. Okay, depends on what you want to do. Just like what we are having here now, I'm going to have about 3 charts here. Okay,
Yeah.
so let's move on. Okay, now having done this, you will now put your category products. Go to your products, collapse your sales. So collapse your date, then come to products, expand your product and check category. Click on category. So when you check your category, it's going to add it to your chart. What next? Go to your sales. So expand your sales and check your quantity. So you can see it has shown you your chart. It's giving me your quantity by category. Quantity by category. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, again, I want to demonstrate something. Take out your, come to your visual, come to your canvas. Under
Mhm.
your years quantity, remove some of,
Sum
okay?
of quantity.
Sum of quantity, remove it. So that you now see quantity by category. Then quickly format your labels. Format your labels by coming to canvas, x-axis, time remarks. Okay. So now let's look at this. For under x-axis, the value, make it 10 as we did earlier. Make it bold. So you can see it's bold now. Each other thing, that's all. Let's come to value. So close your x-axis, come to y-axis. Y-axis is having value this time around. So leave the range, come to value. Change it to time romance and make this 10 and bold it. Okay. So close that. Then come to general and check the title. Change to timely romance. Okay. So now come to fonts. Make the heading. I think make the heading. Was it not 20? You make the other one so that it will be bold for us to see and bold. Then make it center. So that's that. Let's make the title horizontal, right? Okay, so it's there now.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the next thing we want to do, let's come back to our visual. I want to color each of these our items, color charts. Let's come to, hold on. A moment, let me check. Under color, okay, under the bar. When you come under the columns, you will see color. It's giving you color, it's giving you a universal color blue. But rather, I want to see under the columns, say apply settings to category. I want to pick clothing. Okay? I want to change the color of my clothing to say like choose color for me. It's not going to be choose color for me. Oh.
You said under columns.
Under columns, yeah.
Yeah.
When
I don't
when you
category.
read down, you will see category. Have you
Okay.
seen it?
No spacing, data.
Can you
No.
quickly share your screen? Let me see what you are doing.
Hang on, let me see. 1 second.
Let me stop sharing so that you can share your screen.
Okay.
Okay.
So
See under column, right?
yeah.
Color default. Okay.
Oh, show
Because
all.
your show off. Thank you. Click on it.
Ah,
Good. So you know what? If you look at my own screen, it
yeah.
shows yours one by one, but my own has already to drop down menu. So it's still the same, but because my own Power BI has been upgraded, so
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
no
yeah.
issue. So stop sharing your screen. I say, let me call your attention to that now.
Okay,
Stop
but
sharing
I
your
don't
screen.
have the I don't have the you were going to show
Click,
me.
click the arrow down under the clothing now. It's going to show you color.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
I see what you mean.
Madam Lovett. No, don't go, don't go. Hold on. Let's go.
Sir?
Madam Lovett, choose color for us under clothing. Expand out your clothing. Wayne.
Okay, clothing.
Yeah, which color are we picking?
I would prefer maybe purple.
I was thinking purple as well. That one?
Okay.
Yes, that one.
That one? Okay.
Yeah, okay. Purple.
Bikes.
Now, go back and pick the next category, which is
Bikes.
bikes. So choose color for us, ma.
Orange.
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 I think that's what is beside the purple.
Yeah,
Look
yeah,
at
yeah.
what is
I'm just removing the
uh,
zoom thing.
so
And
now
components.
let's pick components. What are we choosing?
We can do the wine, the last color by the right.
That one?
Drop down.
Yeah.
The last color. Yeah, like wine. Yeah.
Oh, that one, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. And then the accessories, do we leave it as blue?
Mm-hmm. You can leave it as blue.
Okay.
So let's change it.
Okay.
Change the accessory to another color so that
Can I pick that one?
Yes.
that's gray, right?
Yes.
Gray, yes.
Okay. Good. That's good. So this is to demonstrate to you that at any point in time, you can choose to control each of the bars
Okay.
because it's representing a single entity. Unlike the above chart that we didn't bother color because it's comparing months.
Yeah.
So there's no point varying the color of the month. But for clothing, buys, components, and assure, it's going to tell you the next, it's allowing you to vary the components. Okay? So
Okay.
stop sharing so that I can continue.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing that. Hope you can see my screen now.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So we've been able to do that. That's good for us. Now, we want to put on something. Data labels. Data labels. That is, at times, when you are looking at the value beside the quantity, you can't put label. You can't know the exact value that's shown there. So you come to your, where is it? Where is it? Okay, see data labels below.
Okay.
Data label is not under anyone, it stands on its own. Okay, see the
Data
data
label.
label.
Yeah.
Yeah, put it on. So can you see the label on top now? Show the label on top of the bars. Okay, expand the data label to control what happens to it. And it's telling me apply settings. You will see position. when you expand your data label, see position below. Have you seen position?
Hang on 1 second. Let me scroll down.
Just be patient. Just be patient. It's there.
Background. So data labels, apply settings to all.
No, no. Yeah, data label apply setting, but go down, you will see position.
Okay, so I have
See
options, value, position, yeah, auto,
auto. So expand that, make it inside end.
inside end. Yeah.
Yes. You
Okay,
understand me now? Aha.
got it.
So now that you've done that, uh, let's come to, this is supposed to be under data labels. Let me see fonts. Okay. Val data label. See, let me see the value. Okay, I'm looking at value, sum of quantity. Okay, let me see what is showing here. Okay, time romance. Let me see. Okay, then you don't need to change the description. You have it here, make it 12.
This is under values, yeah?
Yes, under value, under value. Make this one 11. That's okay. So you can see the label now properly.
Yeah.
So I think you can see the way to do that now.
Yeah.
So
Font,
let's
zero.
save our Power BI. Click File, Save. No, Save. Sorry, I was doing File, Save.
Yes.
Okay, so we've done that. Now, hold on. I need to change this. Click on these charts as it is selected. On
Yeah.
your keyboard, press Ctrl C. Ctrl C. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Have you done that? Make sure you click on it like this. Ctrl C,
Yeah.
then Ctrl V to paste.
Anywhere.
Just paste.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
going to put it there. Then point your mouse to any of them and drag to the right.
Okay.
If you drag to the right, it's going to give you.
The
So,
other half.
yes, other half. The same size now, if you notice.
Yeah.
Okay, good. I think I omitted some. Go select your first chart.
Yeah.
Okay. Make it a bar chart, column bar chart. Don't worry. Then you come back to
So visualization.
visualization. Aha. So pick your column closer chart. This.
Column clustered bar chart. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're now horizontal.
Come again.
They're now horizontal bars.
Your horizontal bars. But that's not what we want. No, I think we want to do. I'm trying to hold on, I'm trying to vary it. It's not the
Okay.
same thing that we show.
Okay.
Just a moment. Please, let's come back to our column star column chart. This
Mm-hmm.
for the first one, for the first charts.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not what we want to vary. Come to column star
Yeah.
column chart. This, this,
Okay.
Then what we want there is country on x-axis. Come to, I want to see, uh, I want to see my sales by country. So come to date. Is it date or region? Okay. Check your country. Okay. That will remove your.
Region country.
Let me take out. Hold on. Let me take out. I have here. Your country should go to x-axis. Yeah, country will go to x-axis. And sales will go to y-axis. So come here and pick your sales.
Wait, how did you clear it again before you selected
Look
country?
at under the x-axis, there's X there, right?
Okay, just close the
Just,
X's. Yeah.
yeah, just click on those X to remove them.
Awesome. And
Okay?
then click on region country.
So yes. So country will be on your x-axis.
Uh-huh.
What do you have there?
Nothing yet. What do I have? I should put sales on the y-axis.
No, put sales on y-axis,
Yeah.
country on x-axis.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, got it.
So when you finish that,
Let me change the title to sales by
it's going to
country.
change it on its own. It's going to change it on its own.
No, mine says sum of sales.
Okay, remove the sum.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, just hold on a bit.
No problem.
Okay. So country on x-axis says, then put your category, come to your products
Uh-huh.
and bring your category to legend. Drag your category to legend.
Okay. Category to yeah.
Okay. Now let's go and remove the color of a thing. Let's remove the label. Let's remove the color, format, visual. I don't want to show data labels on it.
Okay.
Let me come to under column, no, under y-axis. Oh, y-axis elements. I need to remove the color there. Let me see column.
Under columns,
Yeah,
have colors.
under columns. Let me select the blue
That's the
that.
one we want.
Yeah, I'm trying to check it out first. No, it's
Okay.
not showing it. Okay. Click on reset to default. Thank you. That's what I want. Under the color, click on reset to default. So it's going to show this.
Um, Under color reset to default. Yeah, okay,
Yes.
got it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So I am comparing sales by country and category.
Uh-huh.
That's what I really want to show there. Sales by country, by category. So now one of the things I'm using this thing to demonstrate is you can change your visual variation that suits what you want to show. Are you with me?
Yeah.
You can change your variations just like we did here now. The variations have been changed. You can see sales by country and by category. So we are not rigid. We are not rigid. Even the second chart, the quantity by category, I'm going to change it to column stack charts. Okay, click stack bar chart. Come back to a visual. Stack
Yeah.
bar chart on top. This the first one. Stack bar chart. Click on it. See. Hmm. So I've been able to show my clothing, bags, component, accessory in a better way that fits my purpose or my liking. Okay?
Yeah.
Good. So you are not rigid with your chart. You can change to anyone. Any other question?
No. So basically we'll be given, at work they will say, hey, can you give us a stack bar chart with these
Hmm.
categories?
Yes. So most of the time when they are doing analysis, they will tell you the visual they want to see, how they want to see the data. Okay?
Okay.
They will be telling you. So now let's see your slicer, what it does. Look at under region. Click on share Canada and see what happens. It's giving you sales for a financial year 2020 for Canada. That's what you are seeing. You see
Yeah.
the chart changes in response. When you click on Central, that's for Central. For if you are selecting each of the country one by one, every object on that screen will be responding to your slicer. Okay,
Yeah.
so like that, good. If you come back and say, okay, I'm not selecting anything, just click on the select all. I'm not selecting anything. So you return it back to it's only financial year 2020, no other slicer. But supposing you want to show only the American region, start from Canada is not America, Central. Okay, so let's assume I pick the Europe.
Northwest, Northeast.
Come again?
We want to show Americas, right?
Yes.
So Northwest,
Aha.
Northeast.
So northeast, hold down your control key, northwest, southeast, southwest, United Kingdom. Okay, you can see these are the 5 regions of 5 Americans. That's what you are looking at on your system. These are how you use your This is how you use your
Slicer.
data, visual, to reorganize your information based on the information you want people to see. Sorry, there shouldn't be United Kingdom here. Uncheck
Oh,
that. Let me take it. It's going to be central.
yeah.
Hold down your shift key. Present northeast, northwest, okay, and southwest. So these are all the regions of America. You can see on sales by country and category, you can see that only United States of America is there.
Yes.
Aha. So these are various ways you make your visual to speak to your data. This time around, you see people, despite they knew that what generates all this thing is your number, most of the MDs and co, they care less. They
Yeah.
just want to see, they want to see what is appealing to them. From
Yeah.
here now, I can see that bikes, I sold 18.1 thousand. Clothing, I sold 17.4 thousand. Component, I sold 13.9. The ancestry 7.5. You know, this is like rubbing their ego, showing them details of their data without lifting a pin on their side. Am I communicating?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so if we unselect it, everything comes back to normal. Let's save our Power BI. Love it, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Love it. I hope you are following me.
Yes.
Okay, so let's move on. Let's add another page. Okay,
Okay.
so click on the plus sign below. Okay, so I have another slicer. I want to test another thing. Okay, so in this exercise, you want to design the second report page. When you complete the design, the page will look like this. Let me see, I want to show region and year. I want to see my year, order, sales, cost, profit, margin. Let me quickly do some. Let me come to overview. I will select my region and I will copy it.
Just
Okay,
this one second.
just the region slicer. Take it to P3. Just click and paste. Good. Don't sync it. If it's asking to sync, say don't sync.
Okay.
Yeah. I will tell you when we are ready to sync it. You know what to sync. Okay, so that's just my region slicer to make our job faster. You can drag it to cover to the bottom part here.
Okay.
Okay. Now, deselect your region slicer. Deselect it. Go and pick matrix. This is matrix here.
Okay.
Okay. Now, go and click on your, make sure you don't select anything. Click on your matrix, this. Okay. So, expand to, drag it to, okay. Then expand to, okay. So, now drag it to cover. So, let me drag it to occupy the screen a bit. Okay. So, on the matrix, I want to drop our fiscal year. Come to date. A moment. Okay, drag your fiscal, check, go to your fiscal year and check it. So it has put your fiscal year on the matrix. For us to see well, let's quickly go to format visual. Okay, this time around, Change your, let's start from column heading. Make it time romance.
I hang on, I think I've lost you a little bit.
Oh, okay. Let me come back.
Yeah, please. We got
Have you
to
put your matrix?
I've put the matrix, I'm just resizing it now
Okay, finish resizing.
to fill the other part.
Yes.
And then what do I do after that?
What do you do next? Uh, Next, go to your
Date?
dates.
Yeah.
If you follow me last week, we create an hierarchy called fiscal. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Check on that fiscal.
Okay.
And it's going to show you something like this.
Yes.
Okay. Now the font is too small. So come to your format visual.
Yeah.
Okay. Under your format visual, come to column heading.
Yeah. Column headers, yeah.
Yeah. So let's change the text is change it to time romance.
Times new Roman.
Yeah. I made the heading 20. That's bold. Click bold if you've not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, I think that's all. Let's come to row header. Okay, text. Change the value to 15. I want it to be bold. Aha. Okay. So
Yeah.
I leave the value as it is. Don't bother yourself. Now I've changed let me change the font size of the value to change the time romance. Okay. So leave your time romance. Change this to 15. I think I've done that. The value 15.
Is this still under row headers or under values, right?
Yes, values.
Under
That's
value,
the items that go inside.
yeah, times new Roman, and you said 15?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
Good. Now let's come back to our visualization.
Yeah.
Okay, come to visual here.
Okay.
Good. Go to your sales and check your sales. This.
Yeah.
Okay, come to sales. Check sales so that I put sales on the line. Sales. Okay, so sales has come up here.
Yeah.
Remove sum of sales. I don't want sum of sales. When you are looking under your visual, you will see rows, columns, and values. That's metrics for you, showing you the values. So next to that, go and select others. No, come to your
Sorry.
counting.
Where
Under,
you said was rows, columns, and values. What did you just say before?
come again.
So when I'm looking on the visual, I should see
Yeah,
rows, columns,
under your
values.
visualization, you will see
Yeah.
your rows where you have your
Yeah.
physical. You will
Yeah.
see your columns.
Yeah.
Don't put anything in that column. Now,
Column.
values, drag your sales to value.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay. So you will see that it's giving you that then. Go back to your, no, it's already there. That's all. Now go back to your sales under the category, the one who, is under counts. Okay, you will see counts, select check orders. Okay,
Oh, I
so
don't have.
There should be quantity under or orders under your accounts. Check it.
Orders. I have orders, yes.
Check it. Put it there. When you are through with that, put your costs. Go and check your cost, see it. Then remove some of any numbers. Remove some of
Okay, yes. Well, sum of costs, let me change that.
under value. So remove it, leave it as ordinary cost.
Leave it as cost, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So after cost, put your profit.
Profit,
Yeah.
yes.
Next one is profit. Check your profit. And finally, your profit margin. Okay.
Yes.
So your value must be like my own.
Yes.
Now remember it's matrix. If you want to drill down, if you adjust this thing, there is a fork, something like a fork on the corner.
Yeah.
If you click on it, and it's going to expand it for you. So it's giving you your sales, order, cost, profit margin,
Yes.
quarterly basis. So okay, you can still continue until there's no expansion again, and if you scroll down, you will see the rest of them.
Okay. How do I collapse it again?
There's an arrow pointing upward. Click on the arrow. Please don't
Yes.
forget it. Don't forget. So the arrow upward will collapse it, vice versa.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So is that clear?
Yes.
Good. Now we want to tweak our data. Look at on the left-hand side of your visualization, there is filter there. Filter. Okay.
Yes.
This is to demonstrate, this is to control what you see on your screen. And look at filter on, there is something filter on this page.
Yes.
Okay. So additional information that are always good. It can be filtered on all pages. Okay.
Okay.
When you are applying filter on all pages and filter on this page. Filter on this page, the filter will affect to the current page.
Yes.
Filter on all pages, as many pages you added will be, we'll
Okay.
look into it. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes. So the next thing is drag category from product to your filter on this page. Okay.
From product.
No, this time I want to, on your filter, look at filter on this
On
page, the
this page.
second to the last.
Yes.
You can see where it say add data fields here.
Yes.
Okay, go and drag your category, go and pull your category there.
From product, yeah?
Yeah. So product category. This expand it.
Yeah.
Get category. So come in. Drag your category to legend.
Oh, to legend.
I'm coming.
Okay.
No, take it to filter. Sorry, filter on this page.
Filter on this.
Drag, yes, filter on this page. Yes, this.
Yes.
When you drop it there, it brings up all your It brings up all your category, right?
Yes.
So check bike.
Bikes. Yeah.
Yes. So if you look at your screen very well, the value there has changed. Let me just. You don't take note of the value of your screen again.
Yeah.
When you
It's
check on filter, the value has changed. Meaning that what you are analyzing is purely on bikes alone. Okay?
yes. Yes.
Uh-huh. Now, if I can deselect it and say, no, do
Accessories.
you understand me? Pick your accessory now, pick your bike. So you put two items now, clothing. Okay.
Yeah.
So fields added to the filter spin can achieve the same results as slicer. That's what I want to demonstrate here.
Okay.
What you add to your uh, fit on this page can also be done with your slicer. The only thing is that by the time you push your report to Power BI service, you cannot see your slicer again, but you can carry your filter. Can you see the advantage?
Yeah.
You can only see your filter on items that are on your screen. But the moment you publish to Power BI service, you can't see it.
Okay.
Okay?
So what's Power BI service? What's that
Power
mean?
BI service is the third leg of second leg of Power BI. You have the Power BI desktop that we are using.
Uh-huh.
Power BI service is what allow many people to communicate on Teams meeting
So
or
it's like the
Google.
cloud.
Yeah.
It's like the
Yes.
cloud. Okay.
Power BI service is a cloud. Let me
Okay.
quickly demonstrate. I won't put something there now. Okay. So I'll simply say app, aha, app.powerbi.com. I just want to show you briefly. We will not go there tonight.
No problem.
Aha. In coming class, we'll be rounding up this class by next week. So these are I will publish on Power BI service for you to see.
Okay.
So I want to try. So it's loading it. Aha. So this is the screen of your Power BI service. Okay. How it works, what you use it for. Let me slow it down next class.
No problem.
Good. Okay. So fields added to the filter pane can achieve the same result as a slicer. So if you are doing your certification exam and anybody is asking you of this, please. One difference is they don't take up space on the report page. Can you see? Can you see the filter on this page and the slicer on your canvas?
Yeah.
Your filter does not take space because it's hidden. You can't see the moment you publish to Power BI service. But that does not mean your slicer is useless. The disadvantage of your filter is the moment you publish to your Power BI service, you can't see your filter again. You can't make a change dynamically. But your
Okay.
slicer will allow you to do your grouping. Because what we are doing when you are clicking on the slicer central, you are slicing your information. You are showing your information in a different dimension. That's what you are doing. So fields added to the filter pane can achieve the same result as slicer. One difference is they don't take up a space. That's your filter now on the report page, Another difference is that they can be configured to achieve more sophisticated filtering requirements. That's a filter. You can use a filter to configure complicated filtering if need arises. Am I communicating?
Yeah. So it's like pros and cons. Each one has its pro and its cons.
Yes. It has its pros and cons. And that's the way life is.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So we're done through with the filter. Good. That's that about that. Finally, 15 minutes. The third, this is overview.
New page.
That page 3, no, the page, hold on, I want to, what's this other page, just hold on, what's my second page? Coming, let me just, a moment, I'm coming.
No problem.
Okay, rename the page as profits.
Profits, yeah?
Yeah, you know how to rename?
Yeah.
Good renaming, good. So you can see it's showing you your profit details. Add the third chart. Remember, I click on add another page. Remember, I told you all these things I am showing to you that. Remember, I see the same data that you are showing. The same data is what you showcase in overview, profits, and page 3 that I want to do. Call it my performance.
My
Call it
performance.
my performance. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. I want to be faster here, quickly. Coming. So we want to use it to simulate performance of row-level security filters. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, I want you to open your filter here. You see filter on this page. Okay?
Yes.
Filter on this page. So drag your salesperson performance. Let's come here. See your salesperson performance there? drag this, drag salesperson. This salesperson, drag it to filter on this page. Yes. Okay.
Oh, salesperson performance and salesperson. Drag it to
Yes.
filter on this page. Yeah,
Filter on this page, right? Good.
correct.
Select Michael Blight. Look for Michael Blight, this, and check it.
Yeah, okay.
Collapse the filter and leave it. So whatever we are doing here, we'll be analyzing the sales of Michael Blight.
Okay.
Okay? Performance of Michael Blight. I don't want to waste much of our time. Let's go and go to overview.
Yeah,
Select your year slicer. This one.
yeah,
Control C, copy it.
yeah.
Control Z. You click on the year slicer. Control C to copy it.
And paste it in my performance.
And take it to your performance and say Control V. Thank you. You're really
Okay.
following me. So
Yeah.
you see, it's asking me sync visual. Say don't sync.
Okay.
Just leave it there. Don't sync it. Okay, I've done that. Select financial year 2019 here. Check 2019.
Okay.
Okay, good. Look at your deselect that financial year, deselect it, make sure it's not selected. Come to your screen, look for multi-card. There is a symbol there is a visual that has 1, 2, 3 on it. Can you
Okay.
see it?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Hold on, let me check. Is it the one I'm even looking for?
It says card.
Yes, card. Look at the next one to the multi-row card. Multi-row card. Can you see beside the 1, 2, 3?
Correct.
Click on it. Make sure nothing is selected on that page. Click
Okay.
on it. So it's going to drop it for you.
Yes.
Drag it to the on top like this, beside your
Yeah.
year slicer.
Okay.
Reduce it a bit. Then drag to cover the top page. Don't make sure there's a gap here. Look at what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Now, let's see what this multi-card can do.
Okay.
So come to your field, come to sales. Go and expand your sales.
Yeah.
Make sure that multi-card is selected. Check your sales. Can you see? It's giving me some of sales there on the
Yes.
card. Remove some. I don't want some. Make it just ordinary sales, what I
Yes.
want. So
Yes.
the moment anybody sees sales, he knows that these are my sales. Okay? Come to target. Expand your target. Collapse your sales, expand your target, and check targets. See, it's showing you your target. Okay. Next one is variance. Variance is under target. So check your variance.
This is where I fail. This is where my own side failed because this was what we did last week. And
Oh,
I didn't follow from this part. So I don't have variance and variance margin, but I have target. So I can just follow you. And when I'm
no,
doing it again on my own, I would just fill it myself.
no problem. No problem.
I was waiting for
You,
that
you,
all day.
you, you are not failed. You are not a failure. You are not a failure. No, you are learning. You know what? Do you see the time? This is
Yeah.
almost to 11.
Yeah.
If you are a failure, you either out there in the club drinking, do nonsense things, but for you to come and pay and come to class, that, oh, this knowledge, I need to acquire it, I need to improve on myself. You are not a failure. It's just
Uh,
because that moment, your tools did not support you to catch up.
yes.
And I want you to find time between now and weekend, find time to
Catch up.
link up with me so that we'll fill up the gap.
No problem.
Aha.
No problem.
Link up with me. If convenient for you, Friday, let's find time to have a look and fill up the gaps there. So you are not
No,
a failure.
no
So
problem.
the next one is variance margin.
Yes.
Okay. So now all we'll have done is to come to format visual.
Yeah.
Okay. Under the call out values, this, I will change it to time romance. Take note of that. Love it. Hope
Yes.
you are there. Hello, love it.
Mr. Beans, I'm trying to rock my baby to sleep.
Yeah. Sorry. I just want to be sure you are with me. So
Okay.
28 points. Make it 28 points so that it's going to be bold for you to see.
Okay.
The whole essence of what we are learning here is that you can use your card to show information for people to see, right? If you
Okay.
know the filter will pick, this is Michael Blight performance for financial year
Good 19.
2019.
Yes.
Yes, good. Now, having done this, you make it bold. Good. Then let's do something. Uh, Close your call out. Under general, come to format visual general.
Yeah.
Under effects, okay, see background here, background. Even though if you are not doing anything, there is something on your screen. Continue with that's
Exactly.
yes, continue. It's just those values you had later.
That's
So
right. Yeah.
effects, 1 minute. I have a power failure now. Quickly, let me put on Jen to round it
No
up.
problem. No problem.
Yeah, 1 minute. Hmm.
Hey, Lovette. Love it.
I will.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, so I've been able to then effects, that's where we are going. Background. So color under the background,
Yeah.
pick a lighter gray.
Lighter gray.
Yes. Is
Got it.
darker. Let me pick this, the one with 30%, this.
Okay.
Then come to this transparency.
Mm-hmm.
Change it to about 20, drag it to about 20%. Or is it lighter?
Yeah.
No. No, I don't want that. I want it to be okay. I don't want it to be as dark. This. Just to tell you that you can control.
Yeah.
So, leave it at that. Good. Then, let me quickly come in. Prompt general effect. Title. I don't. Title. So let's go back to visual. Category label is on. This labels now. Then let me change it to font, time romance, make it bold, all those labels there. Leave it at 12, it's okay. I think it's okay. Card. I want the card to be border position is okay. Yeah. I'm looking at adjusting. Can I? Okay. I'm trying to see how. I think that's the only thing. I'm looking at setting up this card. So each of them is a card.
Okay.
So that's that. Another quick one I want to show you. I'll put it sideways before I do the other thing. Look at this. The one that has 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
It's a singular card.
Okay.
If I want to show my revenue, the total revenue of my sales, I can deselect everywhere, put this thing, click on this. This one, the first one we use it's a multiple card. But if I need a singular card, I will use the one with 1, 2, 3. So since I've added a card now, I want to put my sales. You will be surprised. Just check your sales. Can you see?
Yeah.
It's giving me the total sales of 𝐂𝐈𝐓𝐇.
Okay.
Yes. It's giving me the total sales of 𝐂𝐈𝐓𝐇, the total money he brought. Okay. And when you look at your the card on the row, what do you see? 8,658,484,
Yeah.
right? 9 million is approximately, right?
Yes.
If you go back to our, I think page 2, where do we have? Look at our sales on page 2. Oh, can this guy give us the... Okay, we've done something here. This one will not give us the... If you remember, we've done some things that time will not permit us to review again. Don't look at that. So this exact sales of market blight. You can see now that this is what your card does. It can show you a single value information. Okay? I just want you to see that compare to the multi-row card that we make use of. So I just try to demonstrate the difference between the two. When you have many things to show at the same time, you make use of your multi-row card. If it's a single item you want to show, you demonstrate it the way you do this.
Okay.
Okay?
And we can have like multi-row cards for multiple people. Say there are three salespeople. We
yes,
want to show all three.
Yes,
and we have a single card for everybody. Like, what's your target number? What did you make? So it's 9 million. Your target was 10. So everybody can see the data there straight away. Maybe if we're doing a presentation or we're putting it on a big board or something like that.
Yes.
Okay.
Good. Now let's deselect anything. Let's put a cluster bar chart on the screen. This is a cluster bar chart. Can you see the third item on the first row?
Yes.
Click on it. So it brings a chart here. Here.
Yes.
So you drag it at the bottom here. Okay. And resize it and position so it sits beneath the multi-row card. Yeah. Where is it? Visual, fill the remaining height of the page and have the weight of the multi-row chart. So drag this guy, make it to fill half the whole page and half of this your... See, I told you, when you are dragging your object, it's coordinated, is putting the object in reference to the one there before. So it's, when you get to the half, you see it gives you mark. Can you see? It gives you mark that this is the half. So leave it at that. So add the following field to the visual. On your y-axis, add month from date. So collapse, come to date, add month, this. Click on month. So it puts your months on y-axis. Okay?
Yeah.
Then put your, on your x-axis, put your sales. Go and expand sales and put your sales on x-axis. Remove the sum. Don't want sum. Okay?
Yeah.
And finally, come to targets. Check your targets. So it's putting your target on x-axis. At this point, I'm using this graph to compare your sales and target given to these sales personnel on monthly basis. See, the target in the month, look at in July 2018, Michael Blight surpassed his targets. In August 2018, it surpasses his targets. In September, he did.
By a little bit. By a very little bit.
Yeah. Unfortunately, in October,
he did it.
He didn't meet the target. Likewise, in November, he didn't meet it. December and January, God help him again. He surpassed his target. In February, he dropped the ball. In March, slightly dropped the ball. And
April,
he struggled.
Yeah.
But God answered him very well in May.
Yeah.
and he dropped the ball again in June.
Yes.
This is an average sales guy. So all these things has implication when it comes to management decisions.
Exactly.
Things can happen. Management does not condone when their staff is doing this.
Yes.
Okay? Good. Again, I want to show to you that what you are showing as a column bar chart, I can also do it as a column, or I can make it, no, this is a cluster bar chart. I can also show this information as a column chart. Simply Control C to copy it.
Yeah.
I'm demonstrating the various ways that your chart can come. Drag it to the other side. It is half now. This. I want to round up.
Yes.
Okay. So just go to your chart, look at close to the other one, cluster column chart. This. But before I do that, let me delete. Again, I want to teach you something here. If you know that you want to do something similar, like all the you want to customize the title, the heading. So let me format it before copy it. So I'll simply come here. I will start with the y-axis. Okay. Y-axis, change the font size. Okay. Change it to 12 and make it bold. Right. So see it's bold now. That's the value there. Then title. Make it time romance. Again, I'm telling you there are situations they want you to take off the title. They don't want it. So leave it as 12 and bold. Or I can make this one 15. Okay. Likewise, I will come to that I will close x-axis and y-axis. So x-axis, I will come to under value, time romance, change this one to 12 and make it bold. Then bold, that's all. Then the title, make the title time romance. Title is the label. This sales target is the title. The values is what is written to label the axis. Then change this one to 50 to make it bigger. Then I make it bold.
Yeah.
So you can see. Then let's say legend. Legend is on. I want to take my legend to the top right. Let it be here. I want the text to be bold. Text of my legend. I want it to be time romance. Make it 12 and make it bold. So you can see. Then I think that I'm okay with that. I deliberately changed the title of that thing. So then close the legend. Let me come to general, the title of the chart itself. I'm okay with what I have. I want to position it at center. I want to make it time romance. I hope you are following all I'm doing.
Yeah.
So make it 20. Make it bold. Good. So that's my chart. If I decide to do this thing in another brand, I will simply copy this. Copy this, click on the chart, Control Z, Control V. Make a copy of it and put it here. This time around, select your cluster column chart. This. So you can see that I'm showing the same information in different views. So what I'm supposed to do next is to publish to, this is where I'm going to end the class today. In our next class, I'm going to show us how to publish our Chat to Power BI service. Any question?
No.
Click on File Save for the purpose of others that are not here.
Okay.
Love it. Please encourage them to go through it too.
I'll try my best.
And you go through it. If they have any challenge, we will round up the class come next week. So nice meeting all of you.